Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to HCL Tech 24 to 25 hiring process. In the particular video, we will discuss about all roles, salary, HCL Tech hiring process. One of the most important point, this is the 6th video of our all top MNC hiring process series in which we completed Accenture, TCS, Capgemini, Cognizant and Tech Mahindra. Now we have to discuss about the HCL Tech. There is a good news from the HCL Tech that they are continuously hiring. Okay, their hiring is still active for 21 to 24 batch. There is one other opportunity, Elite Engineering Freshers for 24 batch, 8.5 LPA to 20 LPA. This is for IITs. Okay, like basically top 25 IIT NIT colleges. So the thing is, we have to discuss about everything in today's video. Let's start. So as we know that HCL Tech hiring process consists of two parts. First is off-campus hiring. There is a walk-in drive opportunity, and on-campus hiring. On-campus hiring will totally depends on HCL Tech team. Okay, and according to your college, they will announce the hiring. Okay. Off-campus and on-campus hiring roles and salary: graduate engineer trainee 3.25 LPA, graduate trainee that is 2.4 LPA to 2.5 LPA. Okay, totally depends on them, but the package is most probably 2.4 LPA. Okay. Postgraduate trainee 4 to 5 LPA and elite engineering freshers 8.5 to 20 LPA. This is for top IITs and NITs college. Okay. And one most important point that I have to mention, all the hirings is posted by HCL Tech team on continuously basis. 21, 22, 23 hiring is ongoing. So this is the proof that the hiring is ongoing. Okay, still they are accepting the response. It is posted by their deputy manager. So you can apply. 24 batch hiring is ongoing. 25 batch we have to wait for the hiring. Okay, still no update about any off campus or on campus. Okay, if there is a update about on campus, please mention in the comment section. Okay, because on campus hiring is totally according to your colleges. Okay, let's discuss about the HCL Tech active hiring. It is posted by their campus relation HR deputy manager. Hiring is active for 21, 22, 23, 24 batch, and it is for top 25 IITs and NITs. Salary is 8.5 to 20 LPA, and this is for graduate trainee global service desk role. Okay. If I'm talk about the graduate trainee role, so hiring is still active. But if I'm talking about the GET role, that is a graduate engineer trainee. So they also posted the opportunity 1 month ago. It is posted by their talent acquisition. Okay, 24 batch BE BTech circuital branches. So I have request from 25 batch. Okay, if you are waiting for GET hiring, okay, don't apply for graduate trainee hiring. Okay, the thing is, one most important point, graduate trainee hiring is related to support role, or we can say that the voice customer support and global voice support. Okay, totally depends on them. If you are like, my suggestion is the graduate engineer trainee, as we know that GET package is 3.25 LPA and graduate trainee package is 2.4 LPA. Suppose you are interested in graduate trainee, you are okay with all the terms and condition, you are okay with JD job description, so you can apply. Otherwise you can wait for the particular 2025 batch hiring GET, because the thing is, there is a portal, there is a HCL Tech portal. Okay, HCL Tech portal in which if you apply for one time, okay, if you apply for the first time, so that is your final registration. Okay, after that there is no changes, after that there is no updation in the portal. Okay, so there is a one time application or one time registration on the HCL Tech portal. I am not talking about the Microsoft form, I am not talking about the walk-in drive, I am talking about the HCL Tech portal. You can check that, you can ask to your seniors as well, 24, 23. Okay, if they apply for opportunity on the portal, okay, if they register for opportunity on portal, so it is one time application. That's why I am mentioning for the 25 batch. And one most important point, for 22, 23 and 21 batch, there is a 6 to 24 month experience hiring as well. So you can see that HCL Tech is continuously like updating the hiring. So this is for graduate engineer trainee Lucknow location, clearly mentioned 24 batch. This is for graduate trainee role. So in that the package is 3.25 LPA and in that the package is 2.4 LPA. Okay, that's the difference. And one most important point that I have to mention, some probably the technical product support is the role in the graduate engineer trainee, and in the graduate trainee role, okay, in the graduate trainee role, so the role is very different. Okay, global service desk is related. Okay, so there is a difference between this. Okay, and one most important point, that totally depends up to you for which hiring you are applying for opportunity. Okay, let's discuss about the HCL Tech exam pattern. If I'm talking about the GET role, okay, so the GET role most probably consists of aptitude plus coding. Okay, aptitude plus coding plus interview, because it is some of kind of technical role. It is technical role. In the GT, in the graduate trainee, most probably you will see the aptitude. Okay, if they ask the technical MCQ, totally depends on them. But in the GET, there is a quantitative aptitude, verbal, logical reasoning, computer fundamentals, and coding questions were there. Okay, suppose they will follow this pattern in the GT hiring, graduate trainee, and they will follow this complete pattern in the GET hiring. Okay, which consists of coding question as well. In the GT, if they will ask the computer fundamental, totally depends on them. But there is a aptitude section, computer fundamental section, and coding section. Okay, so this is all about the HCL Tech hiring process and the update. Again I am mentioning, you can ask to your senior, you can confirm. Okay, you can watch our videos. There is a one-time application is only considered on the HCL Tech portal. Okay, so if you are registering through that portal, so first check that whether you are interested for that hiring or not. Suppose there is a GT hiring, graduate trainee hiring, GET hiring, or other hiring. Okay, and if you are already registered through the on campus, so check the role. Okay, and there is a walk-in drive opportunity from HCL. Okay, and there is a walk-in drive opportunity, and there is a Microsoft form based hiring in which they will send mail that you have to come to walk-in drive. But if I'm talking about this GET hiring, so in the GET hiring, the portal is same, HCL Tech Freshers portal. I am talking about this. I hope you like the video, and this is the point that I have to mention in today's video. Thanks for watching the video, and continuously I will make the video for all of you. Thanks for support.